Facebook say title of the video at the said yes, it's 366. Because excuse me, don't talk to commoners. And may totoo ba ang balita na ipaperform din ito na itiglaking ng balita? Sige nga. Tama ang sabi kong balita, friend. Iragdag mo pa dyan na nasa number 10 pa rin ng video ng balita with Urban and Prophet Gabalipes. Watch this! Ikat lang magtago ngayon pa lamang ang sino mang may sala kung bakit naligwag from their last exposed ang nagsigsal online. Abay, they are down 3 places to seek with kasalanan at number 9. Ay, that is so sad. I need to talk to Sakuman to Block 9 is kasalanan at number 9. Excuse me, sige naman. Sino bang pinunta niyo dito sa mix mo? Okay, you're weird. Thank you so much. Rian Lamas is making waves as she advances further dito sa Pinoy Mix Countdown this week. I occupy the number 8 spot ngayong linggo as a show with her dance video. You. Bamboo. Oh, sorry. I thought it's Bamboo. Hi. You're cute. Would you like to watch the concert?
Yeah, sure. May I?
VIP section?
Yeah.
Okay. But in exchange for your number.
Yeah.
Okay. Go inside now. Okay.
Uy, please ka na. Ba't naman pinapasok mo siya eh? Bakit ako? Hindi naman totoo na may chikong panisyo nila.
Amoy, chikong panisyo nila. Amoy, sino walang makalapit sa'yo?
Grabe naman.
Walang makalapit sa'yo kahit si Constantino na napakabait ng kanyang kalooban, na puting-puti ang kanyang diwa at ang kanyang soul, eh hindi siya nalapit sa'yo. Kasi sumisingaw talaga. Natanong mo na ba yun sa nanay mo? Ano yung sagot niya? Sorry, emotional ba? Emotional ba? Sige. O yun naman yung sinasabi ko, kay King Constantino, eh hindi siya lalapit sa'yo. Kasi amoy ng siko talagang sumisingaw sa pores mo. Okay. Kaya ito na si King Constantino at number 7 lapit. Talaga.